gonna tell me to shut up?
No, you slapped me on the correct arm and I actually hurt myself. And you're sitting there loud cutting up.
Cool! You wrecked my carpet, now fix it!
No, you can fix it yourself.
You did it!
No, you can fix it yourself, Fatty.
Don't call me that!
I'll call you what I want.
Hey, go away, brat!
Hey, you, Felicia. What the hell is that?
What the hell type of name is Patricia?